It was nice.
Perfect.
I've never been adjusted before, and I feel like my back is just kind of tight. I have zero flexibility at all.
I can see that.
It's not like really just, it's not sore, it's just like tight. Yeah, like right there.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do like a little stretch here. Just bring this over. Does that hurt at all?
No, it doesn't. A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Very little bit.
Yeah, so feel that knot popping up?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm gonna work on.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah. So like I'll just like right there. Do you get any headaches or anything? It just feels like
Not really.
from computer stuff.
Might be computer stuff.
Perfect.